warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself, Sheikh Zoya Shabir, and this gold art is made by me. Now, what is gold art? Gold art is a traditional tribal art practiced by the people who are indigenous to central India, particularly in the states of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Odisha. Gold art was introduced to the world by J. Swaminathan, a renowned art curator, and Janwar Singh Sham, a talented young gold artist. Gold art is rich in symbolism and conveys various meanings, including nature, environment, social, culture, mythology, spirituality, and symbolism. Now let us see what is abstraction. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Sheikh Faisal Bilal. This art made by me, and today I am going to say about abstract art. Abstract art is organized by Syed Haider Raza. And now what the abstract art is? It is linked simply. Abstract art is any form of the art of the
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we talk about the abstract art and gold art. Abstract art is a colorful art. It is made by the different geometrical shapes as like circles, triangles, rectangles, squares, lines, etc. Abstract art is made by the Syed Haider Raza. Syed Haider Raza was known as Raza also. Syed Haider Raza was promoted to all the three Padma Awards: Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, and Padma Bhushan. Abstract art is made by the bright and light color combination. In abstract art, we mostly use orange and blue colors. Thank you.
Myself, Syed Tanisura, and her Syed Sana Khan. We made this chart of English activity. I made this gold art, which is about the 5 peacock tribal art. Gold art is one of the most oldest art technique of India from the ancient time. It is used to make by people of old tribal, especially the women are specialized for the painting of gold art. They used to decorate their walls from this, and they used to use the natural colors for this painting.
In this painting, what can you see? If you are telling we are seeing a geometric shape, then let me tell you about it. This painting has a very deep meaning. This painting is drawn by Syed Haider Raza. He was a very popular artist. He made this painting, and even his other paintings made by him has a very deep meaning.
Hi, I'm Rina from Standard 9. I'm Sheikh Abdullah from Standard 9. And today we are going to present English activity about abstract art and gold art. Abstract art. It is also known as Surya Namaskar. Abstract geometric art was started early in the 20th century. Abstract geometric art is an art that uses shapes like triangle, circle, squares, etc. without showing real objects. Abstract art is about imagination and what the artist makes to make and how the artist want to make us feel. Now gold art. Gold art is the bright traditional gold art which makes which shows the color of peacocks sitting on the trees and also the fishes in the water, and it's inspired with the pattern of henna, and also it's look attractive, and it's all about the nature which makes its art more beautiful and attractive and happy. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I Khan Agifa from Greenhouse.
I Khan Adiba Javed from Red House.
We are from 9th standard. Today we are going to represent a chart, 2 paintings in it. One is showcasing an abstract style painting and the another one is illustrating a gold style painting. Do you know what is an abstract style painting? The painting which represents free flow of ideas and emotion, which focuses on colors, textures, shapes without any specific subject. In my painting, I have shown a collaboration of an abstract style painting and a mandala painting. Mandala is a very famous art and is also a part of an abstract style painting.
And do you know what is Gond style painting? The painting which shows traditional Indian tribal art from the Gond community. It depicts nature, animal, folklore using vibrant colors and intricate patterns. In my painting, I have shown a tree and some deer sitting in the bottom in Gond style.
Both paintings celebrate creativity, one through freedom of expression
and the other through cultural heritage.
So, let's end this presentation with some beautiful quotes. Art speaks where words are unable to express.
Art is not what you see, but what you make others see.
Thank you, Jazakallah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I am Sheikh Hanna and I am going to tell you about gold art. Gold art is a traditional form of tribal art originating from Gond community, the largest indigenous group in India. This art is known for its intricate patterns, vibrant colors, and nature-inspired themes. It uses blocks, dashes, and fine lines to create detailed design and form and composition to express the emotions, ideas, concepts, and it is more about interpretation and reality.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nagis Mohammed Salman and my topic is gold art. This is a bright traditional gold art showing the peacock sitting on the tree with the flowers and cape. It shows the beauty of the nature and how everything is connected to each other. This is perfect, and the bright colors and patterns showing the bright color and patterns make this art perfect and lively and happy. Thank you.
My topic is abstract art. This is an abstract art that uses colors, geometric shapes to create a feeling of energy and feeling. Abstract art is the art that uses geometric shapes, colors, and lines to show feeling or idea. What you feel when you look at this art? It might evoke a feeling of joy, while others see balance or movement. I see a combination between all shapes, and I like how every shape fits in perfectly. It creates a satisfying image. The center of this art represents Sayyid Ghazal's painting, that is in Indian philosophy or point. A point is a starting point of a creation or point of origin. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Zakia from 90.
I am Counselor class 5.
Here to present a
Abstract activity. I am present here to gold art. Gold art is a vibrant folk art form originating from golden color. It reflects themes of nature, mythology, and tribal culture. Traditionally, gold artists use natural pigments like plants, flowers to create their work of art. My purpose of making this course was to show my love for animals.
abstract art. Abstract art is a form of art that does not attempt to represent the real world, but it is characterized by its use of shapes, colors, forms, and lines in ways that doesn't directly represent anything from our everyday life. Instead of depicting an object, person, or scene, abstract art focuses on containing the shapes, colors, and lines.
Thank you, Zakia.
Myself, Sarah Deshmukh.
Myself, Jaya Asif.
Today I am going to present the presentation on abstract art. Abstract art is a kind of art that uses visual language or visual art or line to create something anything external or try to look like something.
Today I am going to give a presentation on gold art. Gold art is a traditional form of folk art that originated from the golden tribes of Madhya Pradesh in India. Gold tribe is one of the largest and oldest tribes of India. Gold art is famous for its vibrant colors, intricate patterns, and fine brushstrokes. Gold art often depicts in nature, animals, and tribal life.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Mansoor Raja Khaliful from Standard 9A presenting today's English activity. My activity is of gold art. Do you know what is gold art? Gold art is a traditional form of tribal art originating from the Gond community. It is one of the largest and oldest tribes of Gond community. It also shows like how beautiful Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala has created the nature. It also uses dash, dots, and lines for creating its design. Thank you, sir.
Here I am talking about abstract art. Abstract art is an art which is formed by geometrical shapes, common and unique colors, and repeated shapes are square and circle. Abstract art is a painting which is a ritual, and it can speak through shapes and that was one of the some random shapes and that
There is the Boha template in abstract art. Abstract art is a type of art that was originated in the late 19th century and fully emerged in 20th century. Abstract art is an art that does not depict in reality, but instead uses color, shapes, and finite structures and other elements to communicate. Abstract art cannot be explained by its main purpose. It is the personal view of our artist to our viewers, and it is far from reality. Vasily Kandinsky is the father of pure abstraction art that is considered early 20th century. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mariam Sheikh Irfan and I am from Standard 9A. My topic is about abstract art. Abstract art is an art that does not represent or recreate a visual reality instead through broad lines, shapes, form and texture art. Abstract art is not about making something real. It's about showing emotion, deepness, experience.
I am from 9A. My topic is gold art. Gold art is charities by limited line, cross, circles, stones, textures, etc.
Life breaks down and crushes the soul, but art reminds that we have one. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Asai Kulsum from Red House. I am Ansari Humaira from Green House. We are from 9th standard. We are here for a small presentation. Do you know what is abstract art? Abstract art is a form of painting that doesn't try to accurately depict reality, but instead uses shapes, colors, forms, and gestural marks to show, to communicate ideas and paintings.
Let me tell you about Gond art. Gond art is an Indian traditional art. In this art, there is vibrant color, patterns, bold lines, and we can in this art we can see nature and mythology and things in our daily life. We brought this about nature.
So here we came to end of our presentation. Life is a blank canvas and we need to throw all the paints on it we can. Thank you, Jazakallah.
My name is Hanashi Zubair.
My name is Nabila Qureshi.
From 9th grade. A type of art that doesn't show realistic picture, but instead of this, showing patterns, squares, circles, show emotions and ideas.
Today I am going to tell you about Gond art, a traditional Indian art style that uses dots and patterns to create a beautiful and detailed picture. It involves natural techniques of preparing colors and civilian means. I have made it a Gond art, a colorful tree with dots and patterns, and a beautiful bird with vibrant feathers, all in a traditional Indian Gond art style. I hope you like it. Jazakallah.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया लड़ती पतंगों में भिड़ती उमंगों में खेलों के मेलों में पल खाती रेलों में गन्नों के मीठे में खद्दर में छींटे में ढूंढो तो मिल जाओगे तपता वो ईंटों में रंग है समाज निखरे और खुल के आज बिखरे मन जाए ऐसी होली रग रग मचल के बोली दस है ना मसले की जिद है तो जिद है थी घिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही बस करिए कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया